Which country is completely devoid of any mosquitoes? Iceland. Which US state has a longer coastline than all others combined? Alaska. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland. Which country's capital city sits at the highest elevation? Bolivia. Which country is home to the most active volcanoes? Indonesia. Where is the lowest point on dry land located? Dead Sea. Which country has 90% of its population living near the US border? Canada. Which European country has a famous town named just R? Norway.